For this project, I started with a new color scheme. You can see that I have a color shift paint on the left hand side of the screen, and I've been really happy with how that has turned out in this project. This was my first ever attempt at a feather pour. As you can see, you really just need to kind of rock your cup back and forth as you pour. The biggest challenge for me has been figuring out where exactly the center of my feather is going to be. I did another feather in the same color scheme with a black background, and that one came out a little bit more centered, I think, than this one did. It's still a learning process. You can see here that I'm trying to tilt a little bit and spread out the feather so that it is more in line with the center of my painting. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I am always looking for new projects and new techniques, so please let me know if you have anything you'd like to see.